Hey, it's Tim here with Expert Power Wash. Just spending a little time in the shop. I came across a bag of stuff that I bought about a month ago from Grainger. I had plans to show you how to build a Softwash gun and never got around to it. So I got a couple minutes now. Let me show you how to do this. It's super quick and easy. I'll throw the parts list down below in the description, and hopefully this helps somebody. Let's take a look. All right, here it is. Got a bag from Grainger. Cool thing about Grainger is they can usually get the stuff to you within days. We have one here in Portland. Let's see, I'm trying to do this with one hand. This is, I believe, about a 1 foot section. Let's see what else we got here. I imagine a tripod would probably work better. All right, let's see, I think that's it. All right, let's go through the parts here. 1/2-inch ball valve. You notice one thing on this, it's dark gray. They make these in like a white PVC. The difference is these are schedule 80, the white ones are schedule 40. This is gonna hold up better. With this being better PVC, I wouldn't even waste time with the white stuff. So you got a 1/2-inch ball valve. I believe some of this stuff can be had from Home Depot as well. I'm gonna open up all these bags and lay this all out so I can do this one-handed. All right, this should work a lot better. I'm showing you this. If you wanna pause the video and take a screenshot, here's all the item numbers that I used. All right, let's see how this works. So you can see these parts a little better without it being in a bag. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put all this stuff together off camera and then I'll show you. So the only parts that's not going to be on the list is this J-rod here and then this 1/4-inch male coupler. You can get these locally or from any pressure washer supply. We prefer the stainless steel. There's brass ones and things like that, but these hold up the best. They're a little bit more money, but it's one less thing to break down on you. And then this is what you use to put it together. True blue. Just about all our bleach plumbing stuff, this is the stuff that we use. It tends to hold up pretty well. We don't use any Teflon tape when it comes to putting these guns together. All right, I'm gonna put it together. All right, here is the Softwash gun, kind of assembled. I didn't put any true blue on it. I'm not ready to build this out yet, so this is kind of just all put together just to show you how it goes. So this is a 1/2-inch barb, 1/2-inch male threads. This is all FNPT, and then goes into this is riser tube is what it's called. This is 1/2-inch as well, male threads on each side. And then this is a 45-degree coupler. And then this right here is a reducer. This part right here, this goes 1/2-inch male here to 1/4-inch female. If you can see it there, that's how you get these couplers on the end. The cool thing about having a 45-degree angle, as you're spraying the roof, you can get out to the edge instead of like getting a ton of overspray. So this is a cool little setup. I see where some people use the 18-inch ones. In my opinion, this is right about the perfect size. Another thing you could do here, if you have a hose shop, you could have them put like a stainless steel barb on there with stainless steel threads, and then you could just thread this gun right on. I think this is going to be the easiest if you ever have to change anything around. But yeah, this is how you build a Softwash gun. I will have the price down in the description. I actually don't remember what I paid for this, so I'll have to go back and look at my invoices. But you can get all this from Grainger. This you're gonna have to source yourself, and of course your tips. You're gonna have to get yourself. This you can get from any hardware store. It's good just to have this stuff on hand anyways, but yeah. If you wanna build yourself a Softwash gun, save yourself some money, it's super simple. This is how you do it. Hope this helps somebody.